Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope all of you is good. So again, we are with our analysis video of BTC and gold. I hope yesterday video will help you. You can see yesterday I give you three areas for the long, and on the tape on the first area, after the taping of this area, you can see that this has a great move of 3,500 points. So I hope you make a good money. So again, today we are with our analysis video. So first of all, we have to see the liquidation heat map. On liquidation heat map, if we see that we have a lots of liquidity on the downside, 47 million, 50 million, 50 million, 45, 22 million, 42 million. So lots of liquidity we have on the lower side. Upper side we have only liquidity of 39 million, 40 million, above 98,000. So maybe I think it is possible that on FOMC we can see some downside move. I am expecting some downside move. Let's see the 12-hour chart. So in 12 hours we have a 41 million of liquidity at 98,400 and 47 million of liquidity at the 95,000. So maybe a range play we can see if for the next 12 hours, because we have a FOMC at the 6 p.m. UTC, or we can see that at the time of IST we have 11:30 p.m. at the night. So price action is saying that we have a resistance over here and it is taking the resistance. So this level is resistance level and these are the supports. So things are same. So if we can say that if we use Fibonacci, then we have a area. So area for the long BTC, I think maybe this area will be good area for the long. So you can plan your entries here after it taking a good pullback, and after a bullish candle you can plan your entries on the BTC, and target will be this level, or if we use target will be after the breaking of this level, we can see using the Fibonacci trend. Then target will be, first one is this, second target, and third target will be this. Okay, only after the king of this structure, so this will be our targets. So I think maybe we can get this if we get a good news in the FOMC. So expecting some good news in the FOMC. So let's move on to the gold. And before move on to the gold, if you are still not our Telegram member, you can see that we are giving you updates regularly, freely, and go and watch if you are holding ADA. Is ADA going to the $10? Or if you are a scalper and want to do scalping, you can also join our free signals group, Gold and BTC Scalping Mastery. Here you can get the link in our Telegram channel, or if you want to chat with me directly, you can chat directly with me on WhatsApp. Number are shown on the screen, so you can directly message me and you can ask me your queries. Okay guys, so this trade is just opened by me. I am testing my new strategy, so working on the strategy. If it works 80%, then I will make a video for you guys. It is a very good strategy for the beginners, and with stop, just a small stop loss, you will get a good target. So this strategy is working very well. Yesterday I gave a trade on this strategy, and I captured a 400 pips in the gold. So for gold there is a range. So this is the level where gold open gap down from here, and we see a sharp selling, and after a sharp selling we can see that it takes the support from here, and we have a low of Asian session. So this is the Asian session low, and maybe I think if we can't manage to cross this high, then we are coming to test this low. After taking the liquidity of this low, I think we can see a good move on the upside, because the economic conditions are not good. uh, India versus Pakistan war is initiated, and we can see yesterday night we see attack from the India side to the Pakistan, and lots of things are coming. So maybe we can see some good move in the gold, and gold took the liquidity of this level as well. So I just missed this trade, so that's why I take this trade from here, because we have a small stop loss. Okay guys, so if you like the analysis, please like the video and comment down and give your support and love to us. So we'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, see you, take care.